What's going on, guys? I want to officially welcome you to D Studios. Hey guys, so I am Hayden with D Studios. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. I'll let you guys know, give you a heads up on what we do here, what our main goal is, what our purpose is, what we can do for you. So D Studios is going to be about you, the viewer, YouTuber, the streamer, whatever you do, we're here to make your content better for you. We'll be talking about things like camera settings, audio settings, picture with lights, fancy camera stuff, B-roll, anything that you guys need, anything that you guys request, we will be doing that. At the moment, D Studios is just me, but in the future I'd like to add a couple more content creators into the group just to overall expand our reach to help you even further. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below to our Discord channel. That way you guys can get on there, ask questions. There's a whole bunch of different utilities you guys can use on the Discord to better help yourselves, better help us help you. Other than that, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little studio tour, give you an idea of what we do here, what I do here to help you. And yeah, look forward to some content coming out in the next couple weeks. Until then, I'll see y'all.